guys, good evening. Magluluto tayo ng paksiw na bilong-bilong guys. Yan. Ayan, bilong-bilong na bili ko guys. Yung ingredients niya guys is bawang, siling ring, luya, kasibuyas. See you guys. Fresh and tasty. Fresh and tasty yung niluto natin ngayon guys na paksiw na bilong-bilong. Yan guys, oh. Wow. Paksiw na bilong-bilong yan guys. Yan guys, oh. Yan, yan yung isdang bilong-bilong. Lagyan ko ng sibuyas, siling green, bawang, luya, at saka paminta. Yan guys, masarap yan. Paksiw na bilong-bilong. See you guys. At saka di mawawala yung fried fish natin na bilong-bilong guys. Yan. Ito yung paborito kong ulam. Piniritong isdang bilong-bilong. See you guys sa kainan.